Hello, besties. Hello, guys. How are you guys doing? Welcome to 2025. So, this is me welcoming you guys to 2025. This say, I wish you guys all the best. I really wish you guys all the best. Welcome to 2025. So, guys, this video is not planned. Well, I say I didn't plan on making this video this morning. Okay, I already have plans of what I'm going to be doing 2025 on this channel. So I didn't plan on making this video. If you look at me, say you know that this video is not planned. At the point of making this video, my baby is still sleeping. So I just decided to use this opportunity to do this. I didn't plan it. I didn't write it anyway. No script, nothing. I'm just going to be telling you guys, showing the way it is, saying everything the way it is. Okay. So guys, this is what I plan to do. Not just for you guys, for me too this 2025. You know, enough of all this, how to make this, how to make that. Of course, you guys have learned how to vent. I know a lot of people that don't know how to ventilate hair for the first time. They don't know how to ventilate hair. People keep coming to my DM, thanking me, coming through WhatsApp, they chat me up through WhatsApp, thanking me for allowing them learn how to ventilate. Truth of the matter is that if you want to learn how to ventilate hair, or more, you have to pay. Like, I know how much people charge to teach people, tutor people. Me, I learned to some point. I learned many things I know about hair ventilation. I taught myself. Okay, but the beginner stage I learned, and I know how much I paid. Okay, so not me coming here to do this for free, and people are learning for free, doing things for themselves with it for free. That's my happiness. Okay, so this video is for I know a lot of people have learned how to make hair, how to ventilate, how to make closures, frontals, and through my channel. Okay, I've done lots of video on how to ventilate hair as a beginner, how to make closures, frontals, folies. I'm focusing more on hair ventilation and not the bedded wig aspect. That one will come later. So I've done a lot of them, and I know many of you here have learned. Many of you that are not perfect before are not perfect. I'm not saying everybody on my channel started as a beginner. No, there are some people that they don't know some aspects, so they learn from me. Okay, now this is what I'm planning to do this day. You've learned how to do it. Now the question is, are you making money with it? See, this craft is something that if you know how to do it very well, okay. Now people, work they pursue you. As I'm here now, work they pursue me. It's not to brag. Okay, I know the last set of order I got. I have to share it out. Like I have to give it to others. I have to give it to people I know and people that are trained to help me and do it because the workload was much on me. That's my plan number one this 2025. You must make money. By the end of this year, if you follow me from this January to December, now you go testify. You come back and tell me gift. Thank you so much for guiding me. This is how much I made with this craft this year. Guys, I'm so contented with it. If I say it, people will say, "How is that one money?" Yes, I know it's not money to you, but to me, it's money, and I'm super grateful to God for it. And this craft is what made it, not even YouTube money. Okay, so this is what my plan this year. This is the reason why I'm saying this. You have to wake up. You've learned how to do it from me. Yes, let me not guide you how you can make money from it. People are not giving you work. You don't know how to get customers. Fine. You want international customers. I have international customers, guys. I will let you know how you can do it. How did I do it? I didn't do any magic. That's what I'm planning to do this year. Okay, that's number one. How you're going to make money with this craft. Number one. Then number two of my plan, not just for you guys, for me too, because if I'm learning, I'm teaching you guys, definitely me, I'm equally learning new things. So this is plan number two. How you can make money selling hairs. This year is about making money with this craft, with hair, anything concerning hair. How you can make money selling hairs even with little or no capital. You have little capital, fine. You don't have capital, you don't have any money at all, but you want to make hair selling hairs. Good and fine. I'm going to show you guys, tell you guys how you can do this, how you can make money with selling hairs with little or no capital. If you have capital, fine, you can make money with it. If you don't have capital, you can make money with me. When I started selling hair, I don't have any capital. I don't have any capital. I didn't start with any capital. So you too can do that. I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. That's number two. Okay, number three is hair reviews. Okay, we are going to be reviewing hairs in this 2025. I get hairs in the market, I review them in case you know how to. Definitely, if you follow my channel, you should know how to wig hair. You can wig hair, get these packet hairs that I reviewed, wig them and sell them. And say them, guys, this 21 is about making money. I don't want at the end of December 2025. I will ask you guys to send in your reviews. You tell me that you did not make any money. I don't want to hear that. You must make money. If you don't make money with hair ventilation, you're going to make money selling hairs, even without money, without capital. You're going to make money. When I review hair packet hairs, you can wig them and sell them, send to your friends. See, Rome was not built in a day. When was I know when I have just one subscriber in this channel and I'm getting close to 5k. I am super grateful. Some people are a million subscribers. I don't care. So guys, I don't care. People are a million subscribers making that I don't care. I'm talking about my own growth. I'm super happy how God has been helping me from day one till now. Okay, so Rome was not built in a day. You can just, when I review this packet, say you can get them, wig them, small budget here. It's not even we will start with small budget. From small budget, then I'll take you guys to higher ones. You can send them to siblings, you can send them to your friends. One person you sell hair to can get, once you do a very good job, maybe the hair is just a bundle, you did a very good job with the closure making, wig and sell. One person you do better will bring more people. That's what I keep telling people. When I started, let me tell you guys, the first person I ventilated closure for was one guy. The guy is into revamping of wig or that. So I was just passing. I saw his shop. I entered inside. I told him, guy, see, this is what I do. I do hair ventilation. I make closures. And he was like, can I see pictures? I showed him pictures. To my greatest surprise, this guy gave me two closures to make that day. That was the first person I made closure sorry. And I made sure I did a perfect work and give this guy, and that's how we become customer. That was when I was still in school. Now that I've left school, the guy is seeing me. I saw a post of him one time. I'm looking for ventilators in that anybody that can vent in that area. I was like, but what will I do? I have to leave school. I'm done with school, so I left that location. Okay, so from that guy, I started getting more. His customers could come in. I want to change this closure. He call me, hey babe, come and collect this thing and do for me. This one. From there, other people or his colleagues that do this similar work start getting my number. That's how I started. That's how I started, guys. So I'm going to show you guys every. So you must make money in this 2025 with hair, either with ventilation, selling hair, packet hair. I'm going to tell you guys all that. So number 4, focus on this 2025 is this. In case if you're interested in owning a channel, okay, you want to own a YouTube channel where you do what you like. It mustn't be what I do. It can be your lifestyle, it can be your vlog. I'll show you guys how you can equally do that. Get your channel, how you can build it. My channel, I created it and I monetized my channel in 6 months. Guys, I didn't do it with my powers, with the grace of God and hard work too. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. If you're interested in doing that, good and fine. You want to share your life, mustn't be maybe you are a teller, you just want to share your life. You are I didn't say if you are a very heavy ventilator, you can't do videos that I do. Of course, you can do this. YouTube spaces is very massive to contain everybody. So I don't care. If you want to do what I do, fine. After what I'm doing, other people are still doing it. But just be unique in your own way, because me, I am unique in my own way. And that's why people love my videos. So if that's what interests you the most, fine. I can guide you. You do that. Maybe by God's grace, within 1 year, 6 months, 4 months, 2 weeks. So people get monetized in 2 weeks, a week. Okay, you get monetized and start making your money. And from there, you start building audience. So that whatever thing you're trying to sell, you can easily sell them. Okay, so this one, if I know door, follow me. Okay, follow me so that I'll guide you guys through. I will guide you guys through. You just have to follow me. Subscribe if you're yet to know. You are yet to do that. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're yet to subscribe, these are my plans and more. Okay, like I said, I didn't write this thing anywhere. Just the way the thing is coming to my head. That's why the way I'm saying it. No script, nothing. So this is the 4 that is. So guys, this is just the four. This four is just what is in my mind now. Maybe others will come later. Just like I told you, I didn't write it down anyway. So I'm just saying the way the thing is coming. If the way I am saying, know that this video is not even planned. Okay, so this is the main four that is just in my head now. More, if more come, I will bring it to you guys. Maybe this video will have part two. Do I say part two? This video will have part two. Okay, so guys, I am begging you, you must make money this 2020, no matter how little it is. Me, I am this kind of person that if I make 5 naira a day or 5 naira in a week, I'm always happy. I'm contented. I'm not looking at making billions because I know that people that make billions, they start be making 5 naira. People that make $1,000 or on YouTube or anywhere or anything or whatever thing they are doing, they start be making $5, $2. So with gradually they started growing. So I believe I'm in my growing space too. I am growing. I'm not making millions, but with time I will start making millions. And that's why I want to guide you guys now. Follow me. Let's start making these small things. Start making millions. Or you don't believe that you'll be making millions. Me, I believe it because I'm growing. Okay, Rome was not built in a day. I'll keep saying it. You take one step at a time. So if you are yet to subscribe, do that. Turn the notification bell so you don't miss any update this 2025. Like I said, if any more plans, any more whatever come to me, I will still let you guys know. But this is just the four that is on my head now. I didn't plan this. Thank you guys for watching, and I believe that you guys we can make it this 2025. Subscribe, like, comment. If you have any question, let me know. If you have any video requests, you are free to do that. You can request your video. If you want me to make any video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. You know I love you guys. My baby is greeting you. She's sleeping. Thank you guys again. So guys, before I forget, let me add this here. I'll be creating a YouTube, sorry, not YouTube, I'll be creating a WhatsApp community, like a WhatsApp group where we'll be interacting, engaging with each other, helping each other, chatting, interacting, where you can ask all your questions. I will help you, anything. I will create it and drop it in the comment section. Do where to join. If you feel like you gain something from the group, do where to join. Thank you guys once again.